Set optimizer adaptive features database parameter to false. So for this, we've got to go to the database tier and log in the SQL to make the value of this parameter false. So I'm going to go back to terminal, and here I'm going to go to another terminal and I'm going to log in as Oracle. Okay, and then I will set up the environment, log in into SQL, and I will run this command to first see the value of optimizer adaptive features parameter. So presently it is true. We have to set this parameter as false. So the command for doing that is this one. So for that, you simply paste this SQL over here, alter session set optimizer adaptive features equals false, and give semicolon and hit enter. So the session is altered. Now if you go back here and run this show parameter optimizer adaptive features, it's going to give the value as false. So that's done. So the next step is to simply apply the RUP patch for upgrading to 12.2.7 using ADUP utility.